Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Freedom Elementary School in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District, home of the Trailblazers. This is my second visit to their campus. Came a couple years back. We talked about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. Today we took it up a level and we focused on diversity, right? And the need for human kindness. And this really ties into, what they preach here at this school, being respectful, responsible, safe, ready to learn. The two assemblies we had for all the grades, students and staff was right here in the NPR, but we really tried to hone in on this one right here, being respectful, right? Because that means respecting our differences on the outside, but also on the inside, right? And it's so important that we appreciate this diversity because this world needs a lot more kindness, right? The front of my shirt, the one I wear for this particular program, it says need human kindness. You'll see there's a peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. There's also two people inside the heart because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves. We have to show it to others too, right? And once we have that self-love, we can start to give it out and understand that even just one act of kindness, that's really how we start to change this world, one act of kindness at a time. And to think that it can just keep growing and growing and growing. We shared a lot of different heartfelt stories, inspirational videos that prove that point. Some of the positive music, the physical visual aid props, the picture slides, all of that together. There were a lot of pin drop moments where the students really got that. They took it to heart, and hopefully if something touched their heart, they're gonna go out and start to share that, share that gift of compassion, of inclusion, of acceptance. And to know that we can always show this unconditional love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color than us, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, whatever the difference, it doesn't have to separate us. That can be an opportunity to unify us, right? And understand that part of our true education is, learning from each other, right? If we're all the same, it'd be very boring. But the fact that we're all unique and beautiful, that's what makes schools like this so special. And understanding our worth, our value is always a huge part of all my presentations. I bring this concept up in all of them with the lines on our hand. We have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. That M, a couple students had theirs traced today, so they remembered that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And we really have to buy into that because a lot of students I've spoken to, even adults across the U.S., sometimes they've forgotten that, never been told that. Need a reminder, and we can be the light to their heart, right? So I think, to really sum it all up, this idea of kindness, it's so necessary, but the fact that we give, it makes you feel good, that you kind of receive that much more. And we're not doing it to expect something in return. You might, someone might show you that kindness back, but never ever is an act of kindness wasted, right? You might smile at someone or just say hi or hold the door for them, and they might not smile back, but I guarantee you that they're never gonna forget that true act of kindness. So thanks for touching my heart. Hopefully something did touch yours. Keep going and sharing that gift of love each and every day. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. But until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you watch this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.